I think it's that fun day. She's pretty deep.
Your wife always wanted a cave.
Charlotte said she's always wanted a cave fun day. There you go, my love. Fuck. How do you fix that, huh? Go steal some gravel from the side of the road. Thank you, council. Dog. Stay out of the hole, dog. Alright. Yeah, that's the next mush whānau. Filling the hole. Fuck's sakes. Ooh, my whānau. Just over here digging up some dirt. I'm gonna move some earth down the driveway and fill up that hole, eh? That's us, my whānau, that's the mush. Fill in this hole and then later on we'll go and purchase some gravel, eh? Let's go. Ooh, got us a little bit of earth, put in that hole. You can see if this will fill it up, eh, whānau? Let's go. Getting rid of some rubbish over there. Ooh, my whānau. Just been grabbing all of the soil that the brothers took off when they put that tank in for us. It's got heaps of gravel, heaps of metal in it, so that's all I'm going to use to fill up this gap. Just turn these around so you can see there. So I'll be filling our gap in with all of this stuff, all of the metal from up there, from when they put our tank in. Ooh, this is the mush whānau. One load at a time. Just gotta level it up, make sure it goes underneath the earth. Let's see those gaps, we'll try to fill them all in. And then later on we'll go get us some gravel for the top. Hopefully it'll be solid. Just keep my whānau. Get back at you when I'm done, eh? Ooh, wait. And getting that whānau. Making sure I fill in those sides, pushing it all in. Filling up all those gaps. Getting there. It's been a few loads in the wheelbarrow. Yeah. Me knows my whānau getting there. It's my two helpers. Skylar. And Bailey. Yeah. Too much goodies. Thank you for our feet. Anyways, a few more digs and we'll be about done, whānau. What do you reckon, Spee? What do you reckon, Bailey? Yep. I reckon so too, whānau. A couple more loads and we'll be about done. Halfway. Give them a few drives, make sure that it's pretty solid on the truck here. Yeah. Get back into when we do our next load, whānau. Let's go. Oh, wait, just put down the last barrel. Get this leveled up. Get this all leveled out and see if that's enough for whānau. Hopefully it is. Anyways, missions. Let's get it in, whānau. One more load of gravel. I think whānau, we're done. Yeah. Been jumping around in the spot around it. Make sure it's not gonna fall in. Don't want to take my truck back over just in case, but okay, get this bloody thing and fill it in, eh? Let's go. Yeah, got our gravel. Just been stealing it from underneath here, underneath our caravan. Bless, thank you, caravan. Just gonna take this down the driveway, whānau. Get that man. Yeah, then I'll get them on over. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Just like that fun night. Whole patched. Yeah. Anyways, just give thanks to my little helpers. Skylar, Bailey, thank you guys so much. Anyways, funny. Wrap this one up here. Give thanks, funny. Stay blessed. Let's go.